In the last video, we ruined a tyre and temporarily fixed it to get us home. Now we're going to take it over to our friends at Terry's Tyres and get it permanently fixed. Cool. Yeah. So that's after 2 weeks of sitting there, so I guess I'll keep using that with mountain bike tyres then, that's great.
So obviously, a bit of mess. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of the mess. Pretty much just vacuum it all out. Yeah, so it's okay to leave a little bit of residue in there. It's not going to be detrimental to the performance of the tyre or anything like that. So.
And then I'll flip it around, and then that gives me a clear indication of where it is.
Yeah, I mean it's definitely not a permanent solution. It is only temporary. Hey, it may last 2 weeks, it may last 2 months, but it's definitely not a permanent solution. So it's really just there to get you into your nearest tyre shop or garage or whatever and get it all patched up. So definitely temporary.
To summarise, the tyres will end up with a bit of mess in there. Your tyre repair shop should be utterly prepared for that. The liquid remains a liquid in the tyre, so it shouldn't affect the balancing, but you definitely should, as soon as you possibly can, get your tyre to a professional to get it permanently fixed. And that's the story on a hole in a tyre.